Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download code blocks in your PC and how you can actually install it. First of all, just go to the browser and type here code blocks, hit enter, and here you can see the first link, and you have some option here also, downloads binary release. So if you directly go there, it will be very good. So just go there, binary release, or let's say in case you just click here in the first link, here you can see we have option downloads, just click here. And then scroll a little bit down, and here you can see a binary release. Just click here, so you will find this space. And from here, just click in the Windows XP. Go a little bit down. Here you will find Microsoft Windows 64-bit. So don't download the first one, setup.exe. Just go with the MinGW. Okay, MinGW. If you go with the first one, then you have to install MinGW separately. But if you directly go with this one, you shouldn't actually go for MinGW. Individual. So now click here sourceforge.net, and it will actually start downloading. And I already downloaded this. Let me show you. Let's go to the download folder. Here we have code blocks. Okay. So now let's say I want to install code blocks. So double click on it. Here we go. Click here, yes. And here you can see code blocks. So click here next. I agree. Then okay, keep as it is. Don't uncheck anything. Now click here next. Click here install. And here we go. We have successfully installed it. Now here you can see, do you want to run code blocks? So we'll say yes. So here you can see no compiler detected. So just click here. Scroll down a little bit. Okay. Then here you can see GCC compiler. So you have to select it and set as default. Okay. Set as default. Now click here OK. And click here next. Here you go. Now leave everything as it is. Now click OK. Now let's say I want to create a new project. So I'll click here new project, and where actually I want to create the project. So I'm going to click here empty project, and I'll click here go. Click here next. In project title, let's say test project. And where actually want to create the project, so we'll actually select it to downloads. Okay. For now, if you want to select it for another drive, let's say you have multiple drive, D drive, E drive, then you can actually select those drive and you can create folder. Okay. So let's just create a folder here. We'll say test code blocks. Okay. Hit enter, select the folder. That's it. So project name is here, you can see. Okay, everything is all right. Now click here next. And we have select the compiler as the default one is GCC compiler. And now click here finish. All right. Now if you want to create C program, let's say this plus icon new file, and click here empty file and hit yes. And now let's say I want to save it as, let's say, first.c. It's a C program, so extension will be .c. If it is C++, then extension will be .cpp. Okay. So this is our file. I'm going to paste here, and here we go. Now, if you want to run it and compile it once together, so we can actually click here. Okay, build. And here we go. Here you can see hello world. Now, if you change anything here, it will be shown. So guys, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.